Hello and welcome to Yoga with Lina. I'm Lina. If you've been typing all day, working at your desk, or scrolling on your phone and your wrists are feeling sore and stiff, then we'll be moving into some simple stretches to help to release that tension and improve mobility in your wrists. So roll out your mat and let's begin. Let's start off with some wrist circles. One way. Stretch your fingers and then the other way. And then finger flicks. Just need to do a few to really get them stretched and improve that mobility. And then bringing your hands together, stretch your fingers. Just push gently. And just feel that lovely stretch. Should be feeling a really lovely stretch on the fingers here and at the wrist. Spread your fingers. Just hold for a few seconds. Take a deep breath in. And breathe out. And then we're going to bring the hands behind us now. So if you might be able to bind or you might be able to bring your hands together. Otherwise, keep your hands in front and push the hands together gently. Feel the shoulders opening up and then relax. Let's come on to pause. Now, you can keep your hands flat on the mat like this, or you can bring your hands, the back of your hands on the mat, and you're just going to gently put a little bit of pressure on and coming forward and back, forward and back, forward and back. Feeling a gentle stretch here. And then bringing your hands like this, so like you're playing volleyball, like this. Again, feeling a stretch. Let's move from side to side. Taking your time, no rushing, feeling a lovely stretch. Now, if you can't do this, just bring your hands in front again. You don't have to do that. You're still going to feel a stretch. Just moving from side to side. Okay, and then bringing your hands in front, spread your fingers, and you're just going to do some rotations with your hips. And as you move, you can feel your arms moving, your wrists moving. So that's a gentle rotation all around. Let's do a few more here. Breathing in as you come forward, breathing out as you come back. Going at your own pace, no rushing. And let's go over to the other side. Again, breathing in as you come forward, breathing out as you come back. Breathing in as you come forward, breathing out as you come back. Gently rotating your hips and your wrists at the same time. And then just coming back towards your heels, stretching your fingers and just push down, feeling a lovely stretch on your fingers and your wrists. Push gently and then come to seated. Let's shake it all about, shake it out. And then just give them a gentle massage. Your fingers, your wrists, fingers on the other side. And then taking your hands and then pushing them forward. Again, stretching the wrists, the fingers. You should feel a lovely stretch on your arms and even your shoulders. Let's bring it up. Stretch up. Then rotating your hands this way, stretch up, and let's come over to one side. Feeling a lovely stretch here. Come to the center and the other side. And then come to center, relaxing your hands. Your wrists work all day, supporting you, supporting your life. Notice the ease in your wrists and your fingers now. Do this anytime you feel that stiffness, and do share this with anybody who feels that stiffness in their wrists, their hands, their fingers too. I look forward to practicing with you again, and until next time, namaste.